It says here that an evaporator has a rated evaporation capacity of 500 kilograms per hour of water. Calculate the rate of production of juice concentrate containing 45% total solid from raw juice containing 12% of the solids. So let's draw first the process flow diagram. So this one, there's heating, something evaporates, of course, something is being fed, and then you will create your product. So here you have your feed, water evaporates, I can write there W, and I have the product. Now, what are given? Water now evaporates at a rated capacity of 500 kilograms per hour, H2O. Calculate the rate of production of juice containing, itong juice daw natin, containing 45% solids from raw juice containing 12% solids. Right. So this one is your process flow diagram. So this one could be your given. Do you understand how it is drawn? So this one is evaporator. Right. Now, let's complete the given. If the feed consists of 12% solids, guys, what is left? How many percent is left? That's not stated in here. 88%, that's correct. So, what is that 88%? Can you guess what that is? Very good. 88% of the water. So that means your feed consists of raw juice. The raw juice is 12% solids, 88% water. Very good. What about the product? Is it complete? No, it's not complete. It just says there 45% solids. So how much of the water is in here? 55% water. Very good. So 55% water now. Can I still complete anything else? No more. That is complete by far. So what we do here is we always write a basis, guys. So this is your given. Let's go to the basis. What would be a good basis, guys? Yes, we can use 1 hour of operation. So 1 hour operation because this is a continuous process, right? It is in terms of hours. So if that is the case, guys, I can have my overall material balance. By the way, what's required? Rate of production of juice concentrate. So let's write required first. Required, the rate of production of juice, right? So let's write the overall material balances, our solution. For the overall material balances, what can we write here, guys? Feed is equal to, the output is W plus P. Very good. However, guys, since 1 hour of operation, I can say that feed is actually 500 plus P. I have equation number one. Now, what balances can I make? If you want, you can do water balance, you can do solute balance. So, ano ba yung solute balance natin? So, solute, which is solids balance. If I want to do solids balance, it's gonna be 12% of solids in the feed equals 45% of solids in the product. There's no solids in the water, right? Okay. So solids balance two equations only. Am I correct? So guys, can you solve this? F is equal to what is 0.45 divided by 0.12? Can you solve? 3.75. Thank you. So 3.75. Hmm. So let's call this equation 1. Let's call this equation 2. Substitute 2 in equation number 1. Can you help me solve for F and P? Or you can use your calculators. Two equations, two unknowns in equation mode. What is F? This is P. F is it correct? 681.8. And then the other one is 181.8. Am I correct? Did you get the same? All right. Therefore, this one, guys, since our basis was 1 hour of operation, your answer here is only 181.8 kilograms. However, what is being asked is the rate of production. That's why you notice I added a dot on top. Therefore, I can see that my answer, P dot, is 181.8 kilograms per hour of fruit juice, right? The produced fruit juice. So this one's your final answer.